Hello and welcome back to our video. In this problem, we're given a system of equations. We're asked what is the value of x in this system. So first thing we can do is we can just solve for y straight away. We know that 1/2 y is equal to 4. That's just this first equation right here. If we multiply both sides by 2, these 2's will cancel. We're left with 1y. So just y is equal to 4 times 2 is 8. And then we have this other equation, x minus 1/2 is equal to 2. Well, we know y is equal to 8, so we can just plug in 8 right here. X minus 1/2 times 8 is equal to 2. 1/2 of 8 is 8 divided by 2 is 4. So x minus 4 is equal to 2. If we add 4 to both sides to get x on its own, these will cancel, and we're left with x is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So this system of equations has solution xy. What is the value of x? X is equal to 6, which correlates with answer D.